Hi, I'm Bob Green. I'm CEO of Breakthrough Solutions, a Baltimore-based company that helps business leaders, owners, and entrepreneurs carve their own unique pathway towards success. That's right, their own pathway towards success. One of the things I can tell you as being an entrepreneur is about carving things out the way you want them to be. And in a workshop series I'm going to do starting February 18th, we're going to talk about how you can do that. We're going to talk about how you figure out what you're going to sell, how you figure out where your customers are, and what your customers want to hear from you in order to consider your product or service. We're also going to do in the fourth week a business roundtable where some of the leaders in the area are going to be interviewed, and I'll ask them, hey, how'd you get where you get? And we're going to look for little moments, aha moments from them that can help us build our own businesses. And then finally, the last week, the fifth week, we're going to do some business pitches where you can take all the things you've learned and pull it all together. How's that sound? So I hope you'll take advantage of this unique opportunity. I look forward to meeting you February 18th.